Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix error code 292 in Roblox. This error usually appears when your device is running low on memory or storage, and we will fix it step by step. Error code 292 can appear on both mobile devices and PCs. It typically means your device does not have enough free space or memory to run Roblox properly. If you are using a mobile device, start by freeing up storage space. Go through your apps and delete any that you no longer use. You can also remove large files like videos or downloads to create more available space. If you are on a PC, open File Explorer and go to this PC. Here you will be able to see how much free space is available on your system. If your storage is low, you will need to free up some space. To do this, go to the Windows search bar and type Add or Remove Programs. Then open it. This will show you a list of all installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list and look for large applications or games you no longer use. Select an app, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. For example, uninstalling large games you no longer play can quickly free up a significant amount of space. Once you have cleared enough storage, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. After restarting, launch Roblox again and try joining a game. Error code 292 should now be resolved and the game should run normally. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox error code 292 by freeing up storage space on both mobile devices and PCs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.